Unleash the beast that changed automotive history forever. The 1964 Pontiac GTO wasn't just a car, it was a revolution on wheels. An untamed force that redefined what American muscle meant. When Pontiac engineers secretly transformed a humble Tempest Lemons into a tire-shredding powerhouse, they unknowingly sparked a performance war that would define an entire generation. And today, this legend still roars with the same ferocity. Born from innovation, built for domination, the GTO package introduced a 389 cubic inch V8 engine that generated a staggering 325 horsepower. Those who craved more power could opt for the infamous tri-power setup, which unleashed 348 horsepower through 3 two-barrel carburetors. A standard 3-speed manual transmission came equipped, but true performance enthusiasts often chose the 4-speed manual or the 2-speed Super Turbine 300 automatic transmission. By 1965, the GTO had evolved with a bolder front grille, stacked headlights, and a widened stance, making its presence on the streets even more intimidating. Performance tweaks ensured quicker acceleration, and the tri-power system remained a fan favorite, keeping the GTO ahead of its competitors. 1966 marked another milestone. The GTO became its own model, no longer just an option package. A new, curvier body with aggressive louvered tail lamps turned heads everywhere it went. As the muscle car wars raged on, Pontiac pushed boundaries further in 1967 by introducing a 400 cubic inch V8, offering power levels up to 360 horsepower in the high-output version. A new hood scoop design, safety features like front disc brakes, and a modernized interior made the GTO even more thrilling to drive. By 1968, the body was redesigned again, incorporating the now legendary Endura bumper, which gave the front end a seamless, aggressive look. Inside the GTO, drivers were surrounded by pure American muscle refinement. Bucket seats, a wood-trimmed dashboard, and an optional rally gauge cluster with a tachometer made sure that every ride felt like a trip to the drag strip. The Hurst shifter became a staple of manual models, offering precise and aggressive gear changes. Pontiac made sure that comfort met raw performance. Fast forward to today, and the legend still dominates the collector's market. Depending on condition, originality, and factory options, a new 64 Pontiac GTO can command prices ranging from $42,900 for a well-kept driver to over $199.99 for a fully restored, numbers-matching masterpiece. Rare editions, factory tri-power setups, and documented history can send auction prices soaring even higher. Now imagine this beast parked in your garage. The thrill of hearing that deep V8 growl, the rush of shifting through the gears, and the pure nostalgia of commanding an icon that once ruled the streets. It's a feeling only true enthusiasts understand. If you love the sound of American muscle, join the AutoVerse.